neighbors. I am Mr. Wifey.
Mr. Wifey.
Mr. Wifey.
You lost your head again.
Mr. Wifey to you, please. If you please. Ah!
Hey! Happy birthday to me.
Yay! He is
old.
$29. Next year he's gonna be the big daddy. How you feel about that? You don't know.
Oh, come on.
You are closer to 50 than I am.
Closer to 50?
Yeah.
When I get there, I'll consider myself really old. Anyway, as we promised, we're sharing the birthday holiday cheer or whatever.
Yay!
And either today or tomorrow is Donut Day, National Donut Day. I think we're going to take it as tomorrow and we'll go get some donuts. So that way I get a cake and donuts.
Whatever
Chiba.
the reason is to get donuts will be good.
At either rate.
Just give me reasons to have donuts. Please. I'm not fat enough. I lost my virginity. No. Yay!
Yay.
I like those things. They're so light. See?
I can't take you seriously with that nose. That honker.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Don't touch Mr. Wifey's nose.
Mr. Wifey's. Maybe we'll turn you into a series.
Yeah.
You look like a pedophile. Anyway.
You better watch out.
So, we asked someone to choose a number between 1 and however many comments we had. I forget now.
Yeah.
The number was 7.
Woo!
We didn't include our comment.
No, not our comment.
Because that wouldn't be fair. And the winner of the gift card is
Joseph Abruscato! Oh
Joseph
my God,
Abruscato. You tore it up and put
no. There. Yay!
We apologize if we're pronouncing your last name incorrectly.
Yeah, sorry.
Anyway, Joseph Abruscato, we're going to send you a message. Let us know whether you want Steam or Amazon gift card, and then we will, and send us, in a reply to our message that we send you, send us either an email address, so that way we can get it to you, or a phone number if you prefer to go that route, then we can call you and give you the code.
Yes.
Yep.
Reply to our message.
Anyway, I think he found us through King Siggy, which makes it all the more funny.
Yeah, watch him. He's awesome.
He obviously already does. Ah!
No, not him. Everybody else.
Oh, fair enough.
Mr. Wifey is awesome, I know. I created him.
So congratulations, Joseph, on winning the gift card!
Congratulations, you've won. Congratulations, you've won. Congratulations, you've won. Congratulations, you've won. Congratulations, you've won.
And we really mean it. If you like this video, please comment below and we'll have Hubster do a challenge for his birthday. I mean, not today, but on another video.
A birthday challenge and another
video. A birthday challenge!
Oh no!
Yeah!
So give me a challenge in the comments. We'll do that in a video. Feel free to get your friends to subscribe because we're probably going to do this when we get 200 subscribers as well. We
Give him
might do
a
it.
challenge.
Yeah.
Give him a challenge.
The chickens are running around.
Give him a chicken.
No.
Okay. Maybe a cooked one. He likes cooked chicken.
So get us a challenge, get your friends to subscribe, and we will do this again every 100 subscribers, at least as long as we can afford it.
Yup. Maybe.
Happy birthday, guys!
Yay!
See you later, inter neighbors.
Meow!
It's not always my birthday, but when it is, I level up in real life. Oh, shot off the cuff. Didn't even aim. What we're gonna do is we are going to give away a gift card.